I got into my first juried show at age 10, though I don't think they realized I was 10 years old and did try to get me out of that, but my mother pushed through and made them say that I was okay when they had the juried show. I did a lot of performance between the age of 4 and high school, and then went to NYU with a theater degree. And I never really pursued acting as much, little bits in my 20s, but not really. But what I was so fascinated with at NYU's theater program was the study of body language, and so much. I studied so much psychology and how people think and what makes people tick. And for years, I made my living after college as an artist. I created cartoons and did illustrations for magazines and did fine art. But when I finally decided to work with interiors, it made sense to work with just some of the psychological aspects. So that was my art background. And I think for me, with that perspective, I love creating spaces that maybe are a little bit more conceptual. I mean, I love all genres of style. I love bringing someone out in the space. So I try to stay flexible in terms of bringing out someone else's aesthetic and then kind of putting it through my sensibility. But I love artistically kind of creating things that are a little different. And so, yeah, that's been a fun journey for me up until now. And then I do have a lot more in my background that brought me to my crazy way of doing interior design, but the art is just one of them.